What's up guys, it's Josh here. So you may have seen these on Unbox Therapy. They're called the Revves by OptiShokz and they're basically, well, sunglasses with bone conduction. That means you can look cool, keep the sun out of your eyes, listen to music all at the same time, with the benefit that you've got nothing in your ears, so there's less chance of being hit by a car while you're cycling. Now, I don't cycle or run, so I don't even know why they sent me these, to be honest, but I can see why fitness fanatics might like this kind of thing. Let's check them out. So the packaging is pretty decent. These are the blue edition, as you can tell from the front of the box. And here we have the hard case that the sunglasses come in. We'll come back to them in a second. We get a soft bag, along with an extra piece of rubber for the nose bridge and a micro USB cable. So here's the actual product that you're buying. It's essentially a pair of sports sunglasses with these transducers on the end of each arm, which when folded will touch the back of your ear and let you hear music. Now obviously you probably wouldn't want to wear these as everyday sunglasses because you'd look like a tool, but for sports activities I think the design is perfectly acceptable. You can get them with a few different lenses which are swappable. Build quality unfortunately is kind of cheap. They're all plastic, there's a bit of creaking, and the lenses aren't particularly secure either. If you have a wide-ish head, you have to bend the frames a little bit to put them on, and I've had the lenses pop out as a result. Clearly then, you're paying for the built-in bone conduction. Talking about that, it's quite a weird sensation. There's a little bit of a tickle from the vibrations, but I mean, that's how it works. Of course, they have Bluetooth, so just hook them up to your phone, and then you're ready to go. They take around 2 hours to charge and will last around 6 hours. So how do they sound? They're not very loud at all, to be honest, even on max volume, but then again, for comfort reasons, they don't press on the back of your ear with that much pressure. If they did, they would be louder, but then uncomfortable. Talking of comfort, they're very comfortable actually. They sit nicely, they're very secure, which is what you'd want if you're out for a jog. Now don't expect amazing clarity because you're just not going to get it. It's just the nature of bone conduction. However, they're not bad and it's quite a unique listening experience. You can easily have a conversation with someone, you can hear traffic still, you can hear ambient sound, and that's all while listening to music. Now you've got to remember that these aren't for the average person who wants to listen to music. They're specifically designed for runners, hikers, cyclists, anyone who does sporting activities in which it would otherwise be dangerous to use earbuds due to the lack of awareness of your surroundings. And for that purpose, the trade-off of safety over sound quality is probably worth it. Pre-orders are around $100, which I think is kind of reasonable, although the full price is supposedly more like $200, which just isn't worth it in my opinion, purely because of the cheap build quality. But at the end of the day, it's a pretty unique product. I'd certainly appreciate a pair if I was big into sports. For the rest of us though, just stick to normal headphones. Subscribe if you want to see more, guys. Don't forget to ding that notification bell as well, because if you do, you'll have at least a 50% chance of getting notified of new videos. Good job, YouTube. I'd appreciate a like rating. You can follow me on social media at Tesseract. Thanks for watching today, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. To bend the frames a little bit to put them on. Shut up, Bixby. I didn't ask you to... Bixby.